Say hi, Daddy. Good morning. Guten Tag. It's 5:30. Jake's already awake. Huh, Jakey? He peed through his diaper at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Woke up crying.
Yeah.
He's got his milk. Mommy's out of coffee. So don't worry, I'm stopping. What do you want to say to Daddy, Jake?
Dada.
Say I miss you? Tell Daddy that you say peach now. Oh, don't hit the record button. Say peach. You gonna kiss Daddy? Give Daddy a kiss. Aw, thank you. Can you blow him a kiss? Say I miss you, Dada. I love you, Dada. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Dada. I love you.
Dada.
Yeah, we're sending him a video. Say love you. Do better sleeping tonight. Bye. Bye, babe. Love you. Jakey loves you. Woke up asking for you.